This is the Iowa Weather Report for Tuesday, February 9th, 2016, and now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today, ridge over the west and a trough over the east, and flow coming straight out of the north. That means it's going to be cold, and it's going to stay cold for quite some time. System is going to be moving off to our east, taking the clouds and a little bit of snow and a lot of wind with it. Still be quite breezy today, but nothing like yesterday. Highs will be in the teens and 20s across the state, with slowly becoming partly to mostly sunny. Wednesday, we have a disturbance that could kick off a few snow showers, but there'll be peaks of sun here and there. Highs mainly in the teens to lower 20s, maybe even not even getting into the teens in our far northeastern counties. And it looks to be the case again here on Thursday. Highs from the upper single digits or lower teens in our northeastern counties to about the lower 20s in the far southern and southwestern counties of the state, with partly to mostly sunny skies. Another disturbance could swing in that could kick off a snow shower or two here on Friday, but similar to Wednesday, there'll be peaks of sun here and there, with highs in the teens to lower 20s across the state. Lows each night could be in the single digits above and below zero. Even colder air comes in, possibly late Friday into Saturday. We could see temperatures below zero for quite a bit of the state, and highs may struggle in the single digits and teens. Finally, temperatures start to warm up as we look into Sunday, which is Valentine's Day. Winds out of the south and west. Temperatures may boost up into the 20s in the east and maybe some lower and middle 30s in the western counties. It's also going to be bringing a storm system late Sunday into early on Monday that could bring us a bit of snow activity. Best chances at this point, almost a week out, look to be in our northeastern half of the state, where there could be some accumulating snow. Lots of changes still could take place. But you notice here by next Tuesday, look at where the flow is coming out of. It's coming out of the Pacific, not out of the North Pole, the Yukon, or Canada. That means it's going to look a bit warmer as we look into early to middle of next week. Unfortunately, that's a week from now, and that could change, but we have to look forward to something, because the next couple of days is going to be very cold for the early to middle part of February. Another disturbance could come in next Tuesday. We'll watch that. Going into the extended period, here on 20th of February, there is a significant system that is seen on in this extended period. It'll just be moving away from the state, and this will be bringing quite a bit of activity. It's still 10 plus days out. We'll keep watching it. We'll see if the models continue to indicate it, but it will be a storm of some significance if we continue to see it on the model. And then you look at this on the 24th, the end of the forecast. What does this look like? It looks like today. Ridge pumping up well up into western and northwestern Canada, trough digging across the center part of the country, and that would mean it gonna get cold again. Let's just think about the warm weather. Let's not think about this cold weather, because if we get the warm weather, we may get cold weather. So confidence, at this point, the next week is about all we're confident in. We're also confident in this satellite image from last evening, showing the system barreling to our east with some low clouds, some snow flurries, snow showers all the way down into the Tennessee River Valley and the Ohio River Valley as well. And you can see winter weather advisories across the northern and northwestern part of Iowa, where they had some ground blizzard conditions yesterday afternoon and evening. Winter weather conditions across Tennessee, Kentucky, and up into the north and east as well. West of the state looks fairly quiet, and the QPF chart looks fairly quiet as well over the next couple of days, with very little activity around for the next couple of days or so, but about 1/10 of an inch, and maybe not even that, over the area.